Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. NVIDIA has become the undisputed king of the artificial intelligence revolution. Its powerful GPUs power everything from ChatGPT and Google Gemini to self-driving cars, advanced robotics, and next-generation data centers. For years, NVIDIA has been the company leading the AI boom, helping it become one of the most valuable businesses in the world. But now, a new battle is emerging. One that could reshape the future of artificial intelligence and the global technology industry. The biggest technology companies on the planet are no longer content with relying entirely on NVIDIA's hardware. Google, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and other major players are investing billions of dollars into developing their own custom AI chips. Their goal is simple: reduce dependence on NVIDIA, lower costs, improve efficiency, and gain greater control over the AI systems that will power the future. Google has been one of the most aggressive challengers. For years, the company has quietly developed its own tensor processing units, commonly known as TPUs. These specialized AI chips are designed specifically for machine learning tasks and are already being used to power many of Google's most advanced AI products. By expanding its TPU infrastructure, Google hopes to reduce its reliance on NVIDIA while building a more efficient AI ecosystem. Meanwhile, Apple is taking a different approach. Rather than focusing primarily on massive cloud data centers, Apple is investing heavily in AI hardware that can run directly on consumer devices. The company believes that on-device AI could become a major competitive advantage, allowing users to access powerful AI features with better privacy, lower latency, and reduced dependence on cloud computing. As AI becomes a central feature of future iPhones, iPads, and Macs, Apple's custom silicon strategy could become even more important. Microsoft is also making major moves in the AI hardware race. Despite its close partnership with OpenAI and extensive use of NVIDIA GPUs, Microsoft is investing in custom AI accelerators designed specifically for its cloud services. The company understands that controlling more of its AI infrastructure could provide significant long-term advantages as demand for AI computing continues to skyrocket. Amazon is following a similar strategy through Amazon Web Services. As one of the world's largest cloud providers, AWS serves millions of customers and countless AI workloads. To improve efficiency and reduce costs, Amazon has introduced its own AI-focused chips designed to compete with traditional GPU solutions in specific applications. The rise of custom AI chips is creating one of the most important technology battles in modern history. Every major tech company understands that artificial intelligence is expected to drive the next wave of innovation, productivity, and economic growth. The hardware powering that revolution could determine which companies dominate the industry over the next decade. However, despite growing competition, NVIDIA remains incredibly strong. The company still enjoys significant advantages in performance, software, developer tools, and ecosystem support. Its CUDA platform has become deeply integrated into AI development worldwide, making it difficult for competitors to replace NVIDIA overnight. Many experts believe that while custom chips may reduce some dependence on NVIDIA, the company will remain a critical player in the AI industry for years to come. Investors, analysts, and technology leaders are now watching closely. Will NVIDIA maintain its dominance, or will the rise of Google TPUs, Apple's AI silicon, Microsoft's accelerators, and Amazon's custom chips gradually erode its leadership position? The answer could influence trillions of dollars in market value and shape the future of artificial intelligence itself. One thing is certain: the AI chip war is just getting started. As billions of dollars flow into AI infrastructure and innovation accelerates at an unprecedented pace, the competition between NVIDIA and big tech is becoming one of the most fascinating and consequential stories in the technology world today. The companies that win this battle may ultimately define the future of AI for decades to come. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.